Hi everyone. Today I got some cleaning product from Amazon. I ordered 2 days ago for spring cleaning, so I just want to show you recommended product because I think this toilet brush is perfect for me to clean up under the rim because it's difficult to clean under the rim for me. You need very strong power when you clean up your toilet bowl perfectly, so this design is very good. Both of our bathroom, my husband's one and mine, has toilet brushes, of course, but our brush design is like this. Doesn't include this part, so I just bought this brush as an additional cleaning tool. And this is, I think maybe this was around $10, so affordable for everyone, so very recommendable. When your toilet bowl has hard water deposit, you can't clean up just with toilet bowl cleaner. You need citric acid or white vinegar to clean up hard water stains because calcium or magnesium or iron or other minerals you can't clean up only with alkaline soap, so you need citric acid or vinegar. But usually I use borax or just simply use baking soda to clean up toilet bowl. And you can also make DIY toilet bowl cleaner just mixing with dish soap and baking soda and some salt, and you can dilute it. And you can easily make toilet bowl cleaner and more biodegradable and less harmful for our earth. So I really don't recommend any people to use chlorine bleach so often. Some people think chlorine bleach is easy way to clean house, but it might become of cause of your cancer or toxic to your pet and kids, and also I myself felt headache a lot every time I used chlorine bleach, so now I don't use bleach at all, so but no problem, like I can use many natural things like borax or baking soda and white vinegar and citric acid and salt, yeah, and enzyme cleaner too is useful. But most of the case you can clean up most of alkaline dirt just with baking soda. So I use this as, how can I say that? I just use this to put on my husband's bathroom to remove the bad smell of my cat's poop. And after that, I just use inside powder to clean our toilet bowl or bathroom sink, bathroom tub. And this wipe is for our phone, or I always bring some of this with me everywhere so that I can wipe my hand when I want to clean my hands. And just simply alcohol. Yeah, 80% or 70% of alcohol spray is so useful when you want to clean up your bathroom very quickly. When my husband's friend will come to our house, and if I don't have enough time to clean, I need to hurry, so I just spray all alcohol spray all over the room and just wipe very quickly, and this clean up glass and surface very well, and also disinfect, like to make sure disinfect everything. So it's also environmentally friendly too, so I always buy liquid alcohol to clean up everything. So thank you for watching. Yeah, please, if you wanna try this one, just try to find this shape of toilet brush on Amazon. Bye.